In this video, we're breaking down the whole toilet hose issue. Whether you should just fix that crooked fitting at the top or swap out the hose entirely, especially if it's kinked or the wrong length. So here's the deal. If your hose is kinked, it's not the end of the world, but it's definitely not ideal because kinks can restrict water flow and cause leaks over time. If you can fix the crooked fitting and the hose still has a smooth curve without sharp bends, you're probably good to go without swapping it out. That 12-inch hose length is pretty standard, and honestly, finding a shorter one that fits perfectly is a pain, so don't stress about that too much. If it feels hard to connect, or you find yourself fighting with the fittings, sometimes grabbing a slightly longer hose is smarter because you can make a gentle loop instead of forcing it straight. Gentle loops don't mess with water pressure and actually help prevent stress on the hose and connections. Just make sure nothing's cross-threaded or over-tightened, because that's a quick way to wreck the threads and cause leaks. And if your hose isn't spraying water everywhere and has no visible kinks or cracks, it's probably fine to keep using it. One of the biggest mistakes people make with toilet hoses is ignoring cross-threading when attaching the hose to the toilet or water supply. This can mess up the connection and cause leaks that sneak up on you. Another common issue is forcing a hose that's too short into place, which creates sharp bends that stress the hose and lead to cracks or breaks sooner than expected. Lastly, using an iron tee on your water line could cause corrosion or leaks if it's old or not compatible with your hose fittings. So keep an eye on that and consider upgrading to a plastic or brass fitting if needed. The fix here? Take your time aligning threads properly before tightening, opt for a hose length that allows natural curves instead of sharp angles, and check your fittings for rust or damage regularly. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without all the hassle and stress of searching around. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to get more work, they connect you directly with people needing projects done, making life way easier for everyone involved.